Fancy trying this fantastic dried pear cake? I thought you might. Well, Nyam Nyam are going to show you how. Get some candies, put them in a food storage bag and smash them up. That's the fun part. Then slice up your pear, lay the slices out on a baking tray and sprinkle on your crushed up candy to cover each slice. Stick them in the oven to bake. Meanwhile, get your basic vanilla cake and layer it with buttercream icing. As many layers as you like, as big a cake as you like. We're doing a nice small cake, just 2 layers, and coating the entire outside with gorgeous scrubby buttercream icing. Time to stick on your dried pears, which are ready out of the oven. Oh, those look delish, don't they? And if you don't really like pear, don't worry, you can use another fruit. Sliced apricot, sliced pineapple, even sliced apple, whatever you like. One on top. Right, now for a finishing touch. Let's add a little bit of edible gold powder. Just paint that on with a brush. These little things do make a difference, you know. How about a little bit on the top as well? That's it, just tap it on. And some sprinkles! We'll keep those gold too. Stay with the gold theme, why not? And there you have it. Look at that. Ooh, absolutely delicious. Go on, have a slice. One question though. If it's made from pear, then why is there only one? Not sure what to get your loved ones for their birthday? Why not try making them a cake present? That's right. All you need is some basic vanilla cake, or chocolate if you'd prefer, and we've cut it into a square shape and we are putting a nice generous dollop of raspberry jam on and spreading it out. You can use any jam you like, whatever flavours you like, or even buttercream. Layer that, and then we're going to cover the entire cake with buttercream icing. Again, to your liking. It can be chocolate, even raspberry buttercream icing if you want to go all out. Spreading it all along the sides. Once that's all on, we just want to smooth it over, ready to decorate. Brilliant! We are adding a fondant ribbon, creating a crisscross pattern along the top and down the sides, carefully sticking that on to the buttercream icing and cutting off the excess. You can also use candy laces for this, or even a real ribbon. There we go. Right, now in each quarter we are going to line up some raspberries to match our raspberry jam. But you can use any fruit of your choice, or even candies or chocolates. All along the sides as well, just covering the entire outside in these delicious raspberries. Ooh, how summery. Very berry. And for a final finishing touch, a bow in the middle. Amazing! That is a gift to be savoured. Savour the flavour. Yum! Want to send a special treat to your loved one? Why not try making this chocolate heart box? It's really easy to make and so cute. You just melt some white chocolate. We're using buttons, but it doesn't matter. You can easily find these cool shaped silicone molds on the internet. We're using a heart-shaped mold, of course. So we just poured our melted chocolate into that mold, completely coating the sides as well, and then just chill it. Once it's set, it's really easy to just peel off the mould, and there you have it. We're going to use some white chocolate ganache piped on. It's going to act as a sort of glue to stick on our decorations. We're adding some sprinkles, pearl sprinkles to be precise, but you can use whatever you like. And then adding some fondant flowers and butterflies. Few more sprinkles. And it looks absolutely beautiful. We're going to get a box to display it in. We're adding strawberry, candies and chocolates, and then just stick your white chocolate heart box over the top. Close it up. What a brilliant gift this would make, don't you think? Now here's the fun part. Get a hammer and smash it all in. Ooh, delicious. And you can eat the box too. Look at this fantastic looking cake. Golden white flowers, absolutely marvellous. Excuse the pun. All you need is your vanilla cake layered with buttercream icing. You can use a food piping bag for ease. And if you don't have a food piping bag, you can just get a food storage bag. Snip a little hole in the end. We're doing 3 layers and then coating the entire outside too. We just love buttercream icing. Smooth it over. Right, now time for our fondant icing. We get white and black, press them together and give them a twist. Make that into a ball and you have a marble. Sprinkle some icing sugar and it is time to roll. You've got this wonderful marble effect. Wow, amazing! Once it's a nice thin layer of fondant icing, you can just pop it on over your cake. Gently pressing down the sides. And then cutting off any excess with a pizza cutter. What could we use the excess for, I wonder? Maybe some mini marble cakes. Stick on your fondant flowers. We've got these absolutely gorgeous giant white flowers with gold sprinkles for the centre. You can use cocktail sticks to just stick them in. Just like that. How about some leaves? And there you go, a fantastic marble cake. So beautiful, pleasing to anyone's eye. And let's not forget the main thing, pleasing to anyone's taste buds. Yum! Love chocolate cake? Love flowers? Want to give a special design to somebody for a special occasion? Try this cake with flowers made from almonds. Just get your basic chocolate cake either pre-made or bought from the store. And then we're going to layer it up with chocolate buttercream or a buttercream of your choice. Once that's done, we can coat the entire outside in more buttercream. Smoothing it over because we need a nice smooth surface ready to decorate. Take your time with this because presentation is everything. A few squirts of more buttercream icing piped along the bottom. Stick on some blueberries and sliced almonds to make your beautiful flowers. You can use all nuts, you don't have to use fruit. You could even use round chocolates such as Maltesers. We're using blueberries and raspberries because they give a lovely colour. And there you have it. How easy and fun was that? It's just too gorgeous to cut. Oh, well, maybe not. Yum! Go on, I know you want to. Fancy trying this fantastic roses on a log cake? A cake with a difference. You can have the slice on its side for a change. So get your chocolate cake and then layer it with brown buttercream icing. We're going to layer this quite tall. We're using 3 layers, but you can use more if you like, because once we turn it on its side, we want it to look like a log. Now coat the entire outside of the cake, just pipe on that buttercream icing, lashings and lashings of it. Then smooth it over with a spatula. Oh, this is making my mouth water. Now use a food piping bag and spin your plate around to add an extra layer of buttercream icing on the edges. Smooth that over once again. Using a fork, we're going to create some indents all the way up the side. And around the top in a swirly pattern. Now we're adding on our fondant flowers. We're using gorgeous pink roses. That pink colour looks absolutely beautiful against the brown. And piping on some green buttercream icing to create some leaves. As few or as many as you like. It looks fantastic against the pink and the brown. Down the side, squirt it on and then just pull away to get a pointy tip. We've got a very thin nozzle here on our piping bag. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated chocolate cake. And it was pretty easy to make too, wasn't it? Take a slice of that. Ooh, looking good. Fancy trying a slice of the sea? Well, why not make this chocolate mousse mirror glaze cake? Ooh, lovely. Just get some sugar, sweetened condensed milk and some water. Heat it on a pan, stirring all the while. Now to that we're going to add some gelatin to thicken it up. Add in some white chocolate. We're using buttons. Let those melt in as well, mixing it all together. Lovely. Add your blue food colouring now. That is going to make our sea. You've got a white chocolate mousse already made and you just pour your blue chocolate glaze over the top. Let it drip down the sides. Look at that. Once it's set, you can add some white food colouring on top and use a knife or spatula to just swipe it down, creating a kind of wave effect. Add some cookie crumbles. There you have your sand. And some fondant shells. A perfect seaside scene. Look at that. I reckon a slice of this could be absolutely heavenly. What do you think? I completely agree. You have to see it to believe it.